let's solve this problem. Okay, so what we're supposed to do first, I'm going to subtract the whole numbers first. So I'm going to have 9 minus 5 is equal 4. So my problem right now is going to look like this. 4 minus 1/6. Okay? In order to solve this problem, I have to convert 4 into the improper fraction. So I'm going to say this is equivalent to 4 over 1. Anytime you want to convert whole number to improper fraction, you have to write this number over 1. Minus 1 over 6. Okay? So let me rewrite these fractions. I have 4 over 1, I have 1 over 6. Common denominator for 1 and 6 is 6. Why? Because 6 is divisible by 1 and 6 is divisible by 6. This is the lowest common denominator for these two denominators. By what number I have to multiply 1 to get 6? I have to multiply by 6. Whatever I did for the denominator, I have to do also for the numerator. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. The question is, by what number I have to multiply 6 to get 6? I have to multiply by 1. Whatever I did for the denominator, I have to do also for the numerator. 1 times 1 gives me 1. I'm going to copy these fractions into my equation. So I have 24 over 6 minus 1 over 6. The same denominator, I can subtract the numerators. 24 minus 1 is 23 over 6. Now, this is the example of the improper fraction. I'm not seeing any factor which I can use to reduce this fraction, so I'm going to perform the long division. I have 23 divided by 6. How many times 6 goes into 23? 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract 23 minus 18 is 5. Okay, so the answer is going to be 3 and 5, 6. Remember, the top goes to the front, the remainder goes to the numerator, and the divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 3, 5, 6.